What's up guys, today I'm taking you through my closet slash office. Can somebody say finally? So just a little backstory on the whole closet Cloffice transformation. We took a guest room and we transformed it into a walk-in closet. And if you watch my house hunting story, you would remember that I mentioned that the house that we did purchase, it was built in 1917, and one of the features of these older houses is that they don't have a lot of closet space. We kind of knew off the bat that, you know, we would need to transform one of the rooms here into a closet. And another thing as well, I work from home. I did want to carve out a space in the new house where I knew that once I'm here I can be productive. So yeah, that's basically what we did. We converted one of the smaller rooms. Before I do the big review for you guys, please be sure to hit the like button. It really helps me a lot, and also subscribe to this channel if you're new. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on all my socials. I'll have them floating around throughout the video, and once you've done all of that, we can go right into my Cloffice reveal. So yeah, this is a his and hers closet. Well, actually it's more of a hers and his. Most of what's in here is mine, but hubby does have a little section in here, not to worry. But yeah, it's a his and hers. We do have two wall units in this room. This one that's like right here is the bigger of the two units. We got these from Wayfair, and I know most persons that are looking into designing any type of walk-in closet kind of situation, it's usually a toss-up between IKEA, Container Store, and Wayfair. I decided to go with Wayfair, number one, because it was cheaper. Your girl is always looking for a deal. I don't like to spend a lot of money, so I also like the open concept of this unit. The IKEA units do have like a boxy enclosed kind of feel, and this room being on the smaller side, I really didn't want anything that would, you know, restrict or block any kind of natural light coming in. So I felt like the Wayfair unit would work better in this space, and also it's less of a commitment as well, because in the future, for whatever reason, I need to turn this room back into a bedroom. I can take these off the wall and easy peasy, and it's like nothing ever happened in here. So yeah, that's the deets on the units. I use here for my longer garments, so things like my coats and dresses I put in this section right here. Also put things like cardigans in here, anything long, because there's nothing really closing it off, so this is what I use this section for. Up here, these are things I normally wear or bring with me when I am going on holiday. So like my beach bag, my Cult Gaia bag, which is another kind of vacation inspired piece I store here, and these are like my holiday heels. Only if I'm on holiday I'll pop out like a heel. This is by far like my favorite, one of my favorite, if not my favorite. Alright, so moving from, you know, my long garments, this section right here is for my sweaters. As you can see, I have a lot of sweaters, so like all of this. Apart from summer, I am always cold, so I have quite a lot of sweaters. I tried to color code, you know, the clothes as much as I could. I tried, guys. I really tried to, you know, have some sort of, you know, organization or direction in what I was doing here. Under that, down here, so down here I have like my skirts. I don't have that many skirts. As you can see, there is a lot of room to add. I'll have my shoes kind of floating under here. I really didn't want to dedicate like a whole wall, like a shoe wall to shoes, because my shoes are, they're not that nice. So the shoes that I do have on display, which is, you know, those sandals I showed you over there, and then I have that boot there. Those are, they still look pretty decent. They're not that busted down, so I feel like I can display them, and they're like my most expensive shoes, so those get like airtime. The other ones, they can bounce on the floor. Stuff that I'd wear like maybe in spring or under a blazer, I keep them over here. As you can see, my palette is pretty blah. Down here, this is hubby's section. As you can see, very scant, not much going on. He's more of like a jeans and t-shirt type of person, so not like much like dress shirts or stuff to hang here. So down here is my little storage ottoman. I picked this up in Target, and I got this on a really good sale. I think I paid maybe around $65 for this. So moving on from my storage ottoman, right beside it we have my full-length mirror. Hey guys, that's me. So yeah, this is my full-length mirror. I picked this one up in Home Goods. This mirror, I think I paid either $69 or $59 for it. It was a very good price. Check out Home Goods for inexpensive home decor. Right beside the mirror is just a regular degular type of closet. I have like bins for like hair products, miscellaneous products, skincare. Also, my laundry hamper is in the closet as well, and just some other shoes that I'm not really wearing at the moment I keep in here. On this side over here is my workstation. This is where the magic happens. I'm so corny, but yeah, this is my workstation. When I'm working from home, I'm usually in here. Not usually, I'm always in here if I'm working on my blog, editing a video. On this wall, where the smaller unit is, I have my jackets and blazers. Beneath that are my dresses, and yeah, definitely room to grow on this rack. This section here is for denim. My husband has a pile and I have a pile. Above that is my, I guess you'd call this like a beauty makeup kind of section. This is where I keep my makeup brushes, any kind of beauty products I'm using right now, so like setting spray. I have my body lava by Fenty back here, my liquid lips by Anastasia Beverly Hills I keep on here. It comes in like a very pretty display box, so I just keep the box back here with the lippies in there. I definitely want to add more shelving, add another shelf up here, because it does feel like a lot of wasted space, and we do want to maximize the space. Up top, this is, you know, my section for my wig. Also have more, you know, positive affirmations and signage. So for example, this one, it says you look beautiful today, and then we have like hashtag girl boss. I've read the book. It's not just for display. I've read this book twice. I have my fragrances, my signature fragrances on this book. The one I'm wearing right now is Tom Ford. Usually go between the Tom Ford and the YSL. I have my UE degree. That's where I keep her. Shout out all my UE Pelicans if y'all watching this, but this is where I keep my UE degree. I definitely need to frame that, but for now I keep it back there. All of my bags that are in any type of duffel, I just keep them up here, and it just so happens I wear these bags pretty frequently as well. So for example, I have my Rebecca Minkoff bag up here, my Chloe bag I keep up here as well, and also my Kenneth Cole. This is a Kenneth Cole bag. Yeah, that's where I keep these. This is just a random little Zara bag. Other than that, my not so worn bags are my not so nice looking bags. I store them in these bins up here. Beside my bins, I have this kind of decorative type of orb thing. I just rest it here. I may get rid of it or I may keep it, who knows, but for now I'll just leave it here. It's not bothering me. And then I keep my rag and bone boots up here. So yeah, that's basically my closet slash office. I want to add like either get a tall plant to put in this space. Other than that, the closet is basically done. Let me know what you guys think. Did you like it, or do you think it's blah? Let me know what you think. I have several other rooms in my house to transform: my bedroom, kitchen, living room. So if you want to see those videos, hit the thumbs up button. Let me know down below. And on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.